You know, being in the woods is really special, but I didn't used to think so. Originally, I grew up in Chicago, and at a very young age, my mom and dad decided they were going to get me away from the crime of Chicago, and they felt it'd be better if we moved to the country. I have to say, it was not enjoyable for a young boy to be in the country, at least me, personally. Didn't really have any friends, and maybe it's because I didn't have a Defender too, but now, fast forward a number of years, and that's all I've done is spent so many years in various cities working, and now just spending time in the woods makes everything perfect. Especially when you're driving through little narrow trails and there's some ice on them and some mud and everything else, and you're just focused on the woods and the driving and no distractions. It's really quite peaceful. Seeing the birds and seeing the different animals and not really sure what's going to be around the next turn. But the truth is, I know what's around the next turn because I've been up and down these trails many a times. But it always changes. I mean, I could do these trails 1,000 times, but with the different seasons, everything changes. We get a lot of rain and it washes out, and then we get a lot of really cold spell, and then it becomes icy, and it's just enjoyable. And it makes you feel like you're in the middle of nowhere, which, I mean, I am sitting in the middle of 1,100 acres that can make you feel like you're very remote, that's for sure. But I highly advise it. It's just getting out in the woods, just going for a drive, turning off the phone. I know you guys have heard me talk about Apple CarPlay and just turning all that off, and no noise, no music, being free with your own mind and thinking about stuff.